Human skin is the largest organ of the body, covering the entire surface of the body. It performs multiple essential functions, including 1. Protection. Skin acts as a barrier against external factors like temperature, humidity, and physical damage. 2. Regulation. Skin helps regulate body temperature, maintaining homeostasis through sweating and dilation constriction of blood vessels. 3. Sensation. Skin contains nerve endings that detect sensations like touch, pressure, pain, and temperature. 4. Production. Skin produces vitamin D upon sunlight exposure and contains glands that produce sweat and sebum. 5. Excretion. Skin helps eliminate waste through sweating. Skin structure. 1. Epidermis, outermost layer, composed of epithelial cells, responsible for protection and water loss prevention. 2. Dermis, middle layer, consists of connective tissue, blood vessels, nerve endings, and hair follicles. 3. Hypodermis, innermost layer, composed of fatty tissue, connecting skin to underlying muscles. Skin types: 1. Normal skin, 2. Dry skin, 3. Oily skin, 4. Combination skin, 5. Sensitive skin, skin care, 1. Hydration, 2. Sun protection, 3. Cleansing, 4. Moisturizing, 5. Nutrition. Skin conditions: 1. Acne, 2. Eczema, 3. Psoriasis, 4. Dermatitis, 5. Skin cancer. Remember, taking care of your skin is essential for overall health and well-being.